service stripes. You're exactly right. I never got that answer before. And if you look around this, are they soft? They're so soft. They feel like level, like got personalities. Yeah, personalities are being actually, because of a pigeon, it helps in the world. Very smart. Very. Listen to the noise I make too. Isn't that nice? You hear the noise? For the babies.
I already had it.
And the babies drink right from the throat. But because of the yellow and black, that blends in with the sun and the sky. And you kind of snapping turtles, you know how they get huge? This is a snapping turtle shell, half of one. And muscles. So if I were to touch Arnold right here, he can feel me touch him right here.
Can put tape on them too.
Yeah, you could actually. That's kind of what they do. They'll tape them up. They'll glue them. They'll put staples in it to heal. That beak right there is from old age. That's just it. Shut this in. See the curve of it? It would actually seal up. And that's why they're called box turtles, because they look like a little box. You'll be able to tell more. She does not have web feet. She's not as active. The next turtle I bring out, I'll let you. Can live to be.
The ones around here get that old?
Yeah, they can be. Yep, they can definitely live to be. I think box turtles can live to be.
She's outside. Look behind you.
I think the water turtles are more like.
She comes and lays her first water once.
What's to protect her? You can even help the turtles. You know, when they hatch, bring them down to the water.
What are you doing?
And you know that when the eggs start to fertilize down south, so in return they gave me sweet pea because she's not going to get any bigger. She's got the big feet all the way. Yeah, when I come around, if you want to feel how heavy she is, she's down south.
Oh, she's
Florida.
heavy.
Is she heavy? I think she's around 25, and I think they're like from Florida down south. I'm not really sure, but I know they're not from
Most of it.
Probably not as old as is she heavy? To me, she feels like it's a little different. How does it look different to you? You feel heavy? Okay. You want to see her walk?
But I was thinking, if anything, I'll pick it up by its shell.
Yeah.
Go into my dad.
They can't reach on.
Dixie wants to get closer to my dad.
Alright, alligators will come back and you'll see the ones there. This is Skinky. He's a blue-tongued skink. And he actually has a blue tongue. I think he's so funny looking on his little legs.
Is that correct?
Yeah. Unfortunately, they don't see something. It's from him eating not the right food. Because a lot of these animals are. He's got a bumpy See how they're all. No. I'm gonna come around. You can all touch him. He's very sweet. He's just very, very sweet.
Oh, this whole feather's away from eating it. It'll be like, that's gonna hurt my nose.
People don't know how to take care of them, right?
Spiky. What about the side right there?
Yeah, they're kind of soft. He really isn't that bad. He feels like yeah, see? He feels like sandpaper. Afterwards, yeah, I'm gonna come around. You can all touch her.
Don't touch it.
Because, yeah, don't want to touch her face though, but you can, get an idea. Her name is Miss Sniffles.
I think I know why.
And you know what her favorite food is? Her favorite food is, mealworms. Because that's why they have such long pointy noses, because they dig in the dirt for bugs. They're from England. They are actually native to.
Touch the hedgehog?
Yeah. It's not bad. It's not going to make you, it's just spiky. It's not bad. It's Sonic. It does. That's her that's going 100 miles an hour. It's like, where are the mealworms? I want my mealworms. The camera.
I'm going to sniff at her.
That's how, but they're hunters. And they also have an instinct. If you hold
Except
them
for one?
they go right to sleep. Yeah, so that's how you can give them a bath and clean their ears. Yeah, they just go to sleep. Yeah, it doesn't work with kids. Yeah, they tried it.
Yeah.
You have to give them a bath every week.
Look at the back.
I can keep them here. I have all my pets. She's a little more rigid, but she might scratch it. Her nails, you can always ask her if they work.
We'll scratch.
She's loving every minute.
What will they do to her? Hey, she's trying to get him. Dada, it's so long.
Oh, I just pooped again.
Watch out, there's poop on the floor.
You know, that happens. I see her friendly until she got fed.
I think she was so.
She's soft. She's a chinchilla. She's from South America. Her name is Bella. Her favorite treat in the world is Cheerios.
Cheerios.
So I like to go back to her cage. I like to give her Cheerios. That's where okay, I'm gonna be right back. Don't be-
Just don't step on it.
Oh, it can?
It's not my turn. Why do you think
Nice job, Robert.
That's probably the hardest one. That's so cute.
she wouldn't take?
Oh, no, it isn't. She found that one right away. Alright, guys.
Who's next? Nope.
Good job.
Good.
Good job. Now it's your turn.
Those brown ones are good camouflage.
Yeah. Oh, it is.